With unsurpassed sunrises and sunsets, Cabo San Lucas, Mexico is a well-known resort city on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California peninsula. El Médano is Cabo's main beach and a convenient place to stay with easy access to water sports and excursions. Our hosts were the Pueblo Bonito resorts. There are many excursions to pick from as a way to see landmarks of Los Cabos, but the 45-minute glass-bottom boat tour where guests can experience Cabo above and below the water has been my favorite landmark excursion to date. The boat leaves directly from Médano Beach. It's a quick ride out through clear waters to the San Lucas Bay landmarks. We had the ability to look through the glass bottom, but it was more fun to see the sergeant fish feeding at the surface. Pelicans keep a watchful eye for fish to eat. Sea lions can be found sunning themselves on the craggy rocks. Lovers Beach has soft white sand where visitors can spend some time enjoying dipping in the water and strolling the beach. Cruising along, we soak in the craggy rock formations and the cliffs above as we approach the arch. We get to the arch as it's revealed in awe. Next to it is Pelican Rock. The last part of our excursion before heading back to Médano Beach took us around the backside of the arch, where there's another beach called Divorce Beach. I wonder why.